cool. Hey, so gonna do some stuff on the E36 today. Have a oil relocation kit and a few other things in this box I got from Summit. So we'll open it right now. Got my hatchet. Alright, so some Russell AN number 10, 6 feet of it. Have a oil filter remote mount. Pretty simple. This will just go somewhere in the car. And then I have a few Russell just AN hose fittings. So now we're going to go in, measure up the lines, cut them. We'll go to my shop, use a vise, put them together, and then come back and put them on the car. Alright, so right here I've got my 2 AN adapters, one of which just flew on the ground, and my derail oil relocator. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to screw these in and put the center post in this, which is what actually holds onto the oil filter. So you can watch me do that real quick. Alright, got this all made up. Going to hop under the car and kind of figure out where I want to put it. Not quite sure. Haven't completely scoped this out. It's more that I wanted to start my car the other day, and I realized that I couldn't find the stuff for the oil relocation I'd done before. So that is somewhere in this mess. Where it is, I don't know. So, got new ones, kind of just mock it up, and I'll kind of show you where it ends up going. Alright, so I got a place for the oil filter mount. What I did is I took a nut and I welded a nut onto the side of my oil pan. So that way I can thread a bolt through the adapter into the nut that's on the oil pan and put 2 AN lines into it. And we're going to do a little something extra at the end to make it more secure, but I'm not sure what the angle it's going to end up at. I've also got my AN line. I've marked the 2 lengths that I need to cut, and I'll show you guys where the thing's going. So there, there is the new oil filter spot. So you can see how I kind of welded a nut on. And I'm going to feed the lines. They're going to go forward, and then they're going to go up and through that little gap. And there is the oil filter mount right there. So now it is time to cut the lines. And I'm going to take a quick break after I cut these 2 lines and go have dinner with my family. But I'm going over to my uncle's house, and I don't know what he's got out and where things are right now, because I know he keeps a car at my grandfather's. But you might get to see my MR2 with his MR2. So stay tuned. I'm not sure if you're going to get that, but either way, I'll at least show you a little bit of the drive over there, even though it's only like a 1.5 or 2 minute drive. But I'll cut those lines now. Alright, there are my 2 lengths. Gonna go have something to eat, go for a quick drive in the MR2, and then put these on, or set these up, get it all figured out. Alright, about to go for a quick cruise, so I figured I would let you guys watch it. Hope you enjoy. side instead of his driveway. Get you when I'm done. Alright, so as I said, back at it. Over here in the shop. Got Danes with me. Now, AN lines can be made not using a vise, which I don't have a vise in my house, which is why we're here. But it's a lot easier to do with a vise, and you look a lot better doing it with a vise. So I'm going to make up my lines real quick here. Yeah, I'm just going to do it like, you guys are just going to see it real fast, because there's tons of tutorials on AN lines. I don't need to show you guys that. But enjoy. I'm going to put them all together right now. There's one done, just 3 more to go. But AN lines, not that bad to do if you have a vise and you kind of know what you're doing. Can't show you down on the inside, but I can see light straight through, so it's pretty good. Alright, so there you go guys, 2 hoses all made up. They're all ready to go in the car, just gonna go back home. And we'll put these on the relocation kit and kind of see how it looks and how it wires through the, not wires, but how it routes through the car. So, come on, Danger. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Time to go, buddy. See you back at the house. Alright, so I'm back working on the car. Got my 2 AN lines, and I'm going to kind of snake them on through and put them where they should go. Alright, so all done with the oil relocation. I add some clips and zip ties and stuff. So here's the final product. You have the oil filter kind of sitting up there. Yeah, so there's the oil setup. Goes down 2 clips, the line. As you can see from the side of the car, it does not stick out. It kind of looks like it does, but oil pan's lower, a lot of other stuff's lower than it, and the stated line will get like kind of rubbed off before it actually breaks and has a sudden failure. So I'll be able to tell if it becomes an issue. But there's a look at the front of the whole thing, and yeah, that's gonna be the oil setup for the time being. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Also, I hope you enjoyed it. I kind of tried to show more of like my day around the project than just strictly the project. Kind of showed me like going over and driving my MR2 around, things like that. So, hope you're enjoying the content. And yeah, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.